To high, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 minute.
I think level here will go very quickly, very rapidly, right?
No, it's 7 to 5 minutes. It's
5 minutes,
yeah,
right?
yeah, you're correct. It is
It's
it's immediate.
It's immediate. This is a process. So here, since this is going to trip and this is going to damage the pump, I will put a notable and a frequency here. And notable means low. And this is the rapid means immediate.
Immediate.
Low with immediate. What is low with
Speed
immediate?
2. Low with immediate is speed 2.
Okay. So LAL in the same on the same transmitter, maybe same transmitter. So malfunction full open. This is malfunction full open can have the same thing, right?
Yeah.
So malfunction full open, and in this I will remove because no blockage. So if there is a low level here in this tank, because the malfunction full open anything here, there is a LCB is there. So what is the consequence? Gas flow will happen. Gas will go. Emmanuel,
Yes, no why.
if there is a this tank is empty out,
Well,
and
they
gas will
have
still
the low chip, low level chip.
no. Trip is okay. No consequence. Gas blow by will happen. A pump will damage.
Yeah.
If I lose the level, it will lead to pump damage.
Pump damage, yes. So pump damage. See, this LAL will also have LSLL. So this will trip the pump, right?
Yes. Yes.
That one I will
So-
keep the pump.
Yeah. So I would say potential damage of pump leading to trip the pump. So he has to investigate the low level and take correct action. Level in the stripper and take